Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be like a review and a haul kind of a video because I have used pretty much all of the products जो मैं आज आपको show करने वाली हूँ. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is this primer. So this is the Insight Pore Minimizing Primer. Kind of look like Benefit का primer. See? It just like blurs out your pores very nicely. The full size product costs you 315 rupees. Also इसका एक mini size भी आता है which is for rupees 110. So if you want to try this out first, so definitely you can get the smaller pack. So the next thing that I have is this SPF, or you can say a sunscreen lip balm from Himalaya, and this is in the flavor orange, but this contains SPF 30 PA+++, which is a big thing for me. This smells so amazing. So this one is transparent. अंदर से ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Actually no tint whatsoever. And the best part is कि it's not that oily or greasy or heavy कि आप लगाओगे और आपके ऊपर अपर लिप्स के एरिया पे बिल्कुल पसीना पसीना हो जाएगा. अपना मैट लिपस्टिक लगाते हो तो वो भी ग्लॉसी फिनिश का हो जाएगा या उसका फॉर्मुलेशन चेंज हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. So I bought this from Myntra. Really love this one. Definitely a big thumbs up. And so this is the Requil face wash. This is their AHA fruit AHA face wash. Now it's for like daily exfoliation, and I haven't used it yet, but I'm definitely sure I'm gonna love it because I mostly love all the active ingredient quality face washes, non-comedogenic, sulfate free, soap free. Basically it's for like acne prone people and sensitive skin people. Right now I'm currently using a My Glam ka face wash, which is surprisingly is a good one. It is the like tea tree face wash. I have the tube, it's almost finished, so that is perfect for summer. It really cleans your skin, it prevents acne because I have used that. It didn't break out. In fact, a little bit of acne जो भी आए थे थोड़े बहुत, that face wash actually works on those things also. So I was like pretty impressed, and the pricing of that face wash is like 120 for 60 ml of product. I really like it. Nivea roll-on. So if you know me, I love roll-ons. Like I love fragrance in general, and I really like to smell good. Okay, मैंने इसी साइज का एक छोटा वाला लिया था Nivea Care रेंज का. I love that it has that baby kind of a smell. So ये मैंने अपने दार्जिलिंग ट्रिप से पहले लिया था, so मैंने इसको इतना सा यूज़ कर दिया, इतना सा. So and ये वाला is pretty much the same thing, but it has that a little bit of spicy smell, woody kind of a smell, I would say. Loved it also. I really liked it. So definitely Nivea roll-ons are big thumbs up from my side. No matter which one you get, just get it and you will love it like for sure. Now we're gonna go on with this nail paint. So this is the nail paint from Color Bar, and I really like this color. It has that lavender color in it with some like a cookie crumble effect basically, and I loved it. Also these are so long lasting, they don't chip that easily, and I love it. Next product, Insight Cosmetics nail remover wipes. I have used so many boxes of this and I love it. It is a good product. Really, I go for products which are kind of affordable, okay, which are affordable but not bad quality, and this is something that is very affordable, works amazingly, and you won't believe after you apply this, like after you use this, it kind of gives that very pretty like cuticle oil applied kind of effect, like which actually suits your cuticles, which is amazing. I loved it. Color Bar ka 30 wipes wala aise box will cost you like 120 or something. This works so good, but it only cost 45 rupees, which is amazing and mind-blowing. I don't know why people don't talk about these kind of products. I don't know, but yeah, you should definitely get this one. I think I have this in the variant green apple, which I really like. Another thing that I'm so happy about with is this one. Okay, so Blue Heaven ने पहले भी sponges launch किए थे, which I actually ordered from Cuffs and Lashes. Purple color का मैंने लिया था, and I loved it. I really want to buy that sponge again, but Blue Heaven ने sponges ही बनाने बंद कर दिए. Relaunch किया अपना sponge. I literally just didn't think anything, and मैंने उसको order place कर दिया. This is something that I use for my Durga Puja, like all the 4 days I have used it only. So you can see it's ganda, but it is not wet. It is the dry sponge. It feels so squishy. भीगने के बाद तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा squishy हो जाता है, ज़्यादा product भी आपका absorb नहीं करता. Big thumbs up. In case you're wondering the price, so this sponge cost for rupees 175 rupees, but definitely if you go through Purple में हमेशा 25% off का तो आपको मिल ही जाएगा. So the next thing is Blue Heaven का skin tint, and मैंने इसको लिया है in the shade natural. So this is how this looks from the inside. This is the actual packaging. It comes with a lock here, so you see it is locked now, and यहाँ से नहीं निकलेगा product. It has SPF 25 PA++, UV sun protection. It has vitamin E, and it has hyaluronic acid. And this contains 28 ml of product. It's like very light. इसका coverage near to medium है. It's like a BB cream only, but it is better than a BB cream. That's what I'm saying. It gives you that flawless skin, and it is hydrating. ये जब से मेरे पास आया है, I'm only and only using this one. I can say if you want to achieve that no makeup look, this is the thing that you need, like seriously. This one, this Garnier Micellar Water is literally my favorite since its launch. Definitely, if you are searching for a good micellar water, go for this one. Don't go for any other, just go for this one. You're gonna love it and you won't regret it, and you're gonna thank me later for sure. The last product of this haul is a mascara, and this is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I love it. जब ये launch हुआ था उसके I think एक महीने बाद मैंने इसको ले लिया था, and I was blown away when I first use it. It will give like a sky high length to your lashes. It separates your lashes so beautifully. It will not clump up. You know, it has that wiggly wand, like it just kind of bends completely. A pretty slim wand. So इससे ना आप अपना lower lash काफ़ी अच्छे से कर सकते हो, and the lower lash looks so pretty. Like you can create a doll eye effect with this. I love it. If I paired these two up, they literally legit look like false lashes. Like I'm not even kidding. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like the video and please subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in my next video very soon. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and bye bye.